Yes, massive one say blessed love and welcome to the program again. You see it. So one say big respect to the people who da support the channel, the one them who da like the video them, the one them who da subscribe one say welcome. It's massive. Yeah man, so with there again, you see it. So with the back from the whole topic the thing where they go on in the circle with Sting, you see me I say? Yeah man. So me just want to give me a little overall review of the show. The performance them what me see and the production and all of them things they see. So more say big respect to the whole production team. Yeah, so I want to say massive respect for bring back the show. The show mean a lot to the culture and it mean a lot to the ones who participate tonight. You see me I say? Cause we grew on we grow to accept this show as one staple ground for the youth them exercise then talent and you understand showcase their skills. So with all of that what we are said there now the performance from the artists them like Tanya Stevens. Tanya Stevens put on a nice performance. I know one of the best one I ever see from Tanya Stevens. So. Nevertheless, you understand, Tanya Stevens do her thing and you understand, see Capleton come see him way too. Burn off a serious piece of fire see him way too. You see it so we see it say the people them out there where might went doubt the whole artists them. You see it say them still a represent and they still a do them thing. You see me I saying a fine style too. Eh. So we see some of the youth artists them now. And while them are doing thing and the youth them are represent themselves, we still think say them performance skills kinda need some kind of tightening up. You see me I say? Me nah knock none of the youth them still, but you understand when it come on to the performance and the thing, just look on Capleton. Look how Capleton, the kind of energy what Capleton come with. The kind of song them what Capleton do. You see it, and a song where lewd and disrespectful to woman. You see me I say, and the new youth them, me no know still, but me no know what make them feel like say it's so important for them I tell we how much girl shoot them go down in and all of them sitting there. You see it, so me no know. You understand? It's a thing. So the youth them kind of lack performance and the kind of argument them in their song them and them kind of thing. There, you see me I say? It sure say, you understand? Too much of one thing good for nothing now. I just that me I say about that. There's different this still. You see it? So the overall production it went alright. The lighting and the staging and them kind of things there. Yeah man, me like how it look. You understand? Nice piece of move that. So I want to big up the production people them for that. You understand? While we see some people up on the stage same way too and we are wonder if them could even find some better talent around the place where you understand I like all Queenie you know differently still. No disrespect to Queenie, but Queenie coming like is a waste of space pan that they show the differently still. Is me I say? And that is just my opinion. Is me I say? Yeah. Cause I'm sure say we could have find some better talent for display in a that time and space. So overall, the show was a nice show still. I don't know if it was what we expected. You understand? Because probably like most people may might think say we did expect more from it still. You understand? I just that's on my expectation probably when they you see it, me did expect it to come out with a bigger bang. You see me I say. Nevertheless, it was a nice production. You see me I say so. Yeah. But when me see things go awfully wrong, with the stage management. Seeing? Cause me can't understand how them allow this to happen. You understand? How this happen? Seeing? Cause this must you understand some preparation must when probably have to put in place for this part I show here. You see me I say cause we know say the clash part you gonna need security on the stage. You understand? You gonna need proper stage management right now. You understand? And how animosity get a mic? Who get animosity the mic? See? And when him get the mic, why them give him the mic at such a early stage in the clash? Is it cause Coyote and Fully Bad don't even get fortune out yet, you know? You see me I say cause you understand the clash between Coyote and Fully Bad it went kinda early. You see me I say so if the people decide to then go let in animosity in a war, why them put animosity in the clash so early? You understand? Now why no security not upon the stage? Seeing? And the next thing what I want to find out still. The people them were supposed to manage Fully Bad. The people them who supposed to organize things with Fully Bad. Why you not allow Fully Bad to do so much interviews building up to the clash? See? Me understand say is a moment where Fully Bad want to just capitalize on the moment and people want to just pick Fully Bad energy. They want to know what going on in their mind. People want to know what I think and all kind of shit. You see me I say, but at that time I feel like I said the people them who supposed to they are guide the youth, supposed to make the youth know say man, a time for him sitting and focus on the song them. Focus on what I'm have to do. You see it on the stage. And don't go around too much and do too much interviews. You see it? Because you see the last interview were Fully Bad up on the gully side. Me feel like I said from the interview there, some kind of personal kind of feelings start to stir up with animosity. You see me I say cause certain little questions was asked and you understand? Even though Fully Bad trying best for kind of cite some of the question them and kind of try to move on from it. But when animosity watch the interview, them sure say he would have get up in their feelings. You see it? So the people them who they around the youth them and understand them things. Why them never put in the proper measures so things not escalate into one personal kind of you understand? Toss up as we see what happen. You see me I deal with. So that are for the Fully Bad people them. You see me I say? What go on with the ones them who can call Fully Bad and talk to him. Cause this a party of you in a bridge or sister. Whoever can call Fully Bad and say to him, say, yo, calm down yourself. Make we have a talk right there, sir. You understand? Take him away from the crowd. You understand? Take him away from the Instagram live them and them kind of sitting there. You see it? Calm him down right here now. You see me, I said, don't make the youth self-destruct. Seeing, cause the emotions I right here now and fully body come out and he must say some things and the things them were fully body right, he must say right here now differently still. It can be harmful to him. You see me, I say? So me I say the ones them where they're on fully bad, a time for on a calm down fully bad man and make him know say I don't know time for him run good on an interview and dep on the internet make some emotional talks and them kind of sitting. You see it cause you understand? Some of them things it will come across like a threat and them kind of sitting. You see it so the man them have to know if to talk to the youth, man, and don't make the youth self-destruct, man. Don't make the youth like him want to take on the system, because the system is already against the youth. Them, you see me I say? So you can't watch the youth get the fight them what him get, and now you go watch him for create the scenarios what go cause him to get more fight. You see me I say? So a time for you to talk to fully bad, man, and fully bad get off of the emotion things them bridging. You see me I say? Hold it, brother. You see me I deal with. Yeah, man. So that's the thing about when time people know who ain't supposed to manage the stage properly. You understand? And the people them who supposed to there round the youth them, who fi talk to them and talk some sense in them and show them how them fi navigate through certain kind of obstacle and difficulty. You see it? Cause more time I just mind game I play in the youth, and if the youth them not have the right guidance around them, then just go fall into the mind game and just create the scenarios where fi get the fight what them a try overcome. You see me I deal with? Yeah, man, so that that's all. But overall, my kind of thing say is a nice production still, and it's just so unfortunate say this the thing where people go remember most about the show. You see me I say? For real, man. I see the reaction of Shano and the Marcus same way too. You see it? So I see Shano have a big laugh at the whole thing. You see it? Because it look like I said animosity rise against Shano and fall embarrassed in front of the crowd. You see it? Yeah, man. Because I see a thing where animosity when go up on the fix and when I say some things about Shano, see you way too. You see it? So she will have to go back go clear in here, man. Now me say she react to the whole thing. You see that the man a laugh off animosity, say animosity get cuff, you see it. And when they see the videos, everybody a try to take a swing off of animosity. You see me I say, all a woman me say a swing off of the general. You see me I say? Yeah, so we see people a swing off of animosity all about the place, man. But yeah, it's a shame still, because I know what we really want to see still. We want to see the competition, but we want to see the competition just in the lyrics. You see, we only want to see the verbal competition. We don't want to see the confrontation get physical and people are hurt people and them kind of thing. There you see it, so me don't like see the man them, you understand, set things properly, man. And I hope say it no escalate further than this. You see it, so you understand. While we 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 are pick the side them what we like and them kind of sit them. Make we do it in a responsible manner in our way. So we don't have no Jamaican Biggie and Tupac situation. You see it, so yeah, man. So we could just keep it respectful and yeah. Coyote, it look like you must show some respect for fully bad. And I like that. I like how them own them composure up on the stage with each other same way too. You see it, you never see no animosity between them. Until animosity turn up on the stage, you see it, so. Yeah, man. So, me hope the whole of the man them fix it. You see me, I say, animosity, fully bad, coyote. Yeah, don't make it reach no further than we started there. You see it? So, if a lyrical, but don't make it go physical. Yeah, me hope say this is not the end of it still, and you understand the new management phase thing on to fix up things. So I know say next year now forward bigger and better. You see it. So people wanna tell me in the comment section what wanna think who was Fiona favorite performance on the show, and you understand on high moments and the low moments and all kind of things. You see it. So you just tell me what wanna feel same way. You see it. So until then we want to say give thanks and blessed love to all of the ones who watch the video today. And you see me I say. So just continue support. Like up the video so the video can get suggested to other ones same way till you see it so we can grow the channel. You understand? So give thanks to your strength. More strength to all our people. Man. Blessed New Year's when time it forward. You see me I say. Give thanks.